Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to link Figma to VS Code, step by step so you can turn your designs into code faster and improve your workflow. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Figma website, and click Login at the top right and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll land the Figma home dashboard. From here, open any design file you want to convert into code. Next, look at the top menu and click on Actions. And here in the search bar, type Figma to code and press Enter. When the plugin appears, click on Figma to code to open it. This tool allows you to export the Figma designs into clean, readable code that can be used directly in VS Code. Now select the design or frame that you want to convert. The plugin will automatically generate the code based on your layout, styles, and components. Once the code is generated, simply copy the code and open the VS Code on your computer, and paste the code into your project files and continue building from there. This integration helps your design consistent while saving time during development. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.